This is your money system when you're going to Japan. Syempre, importante sa yung passport mo and definitely their money is called the yen. My coins sila and my bills. Now, back up always, I always have and recommend you bring a few dollars para just in case kailangan mo magpapalit, at least pwede ka magpapalit. Emergency fund mo lang yan. Okay, then when you're going to pay, syempre, the best out there right now will definitely be the C-Bank card kasi meron siyang 3% cashback up until January 31, 2026. Then, the best rates out there naman, after that will definitely be the GCash Visa card, kasabay yan ng Klook card. And of course, if you still have the GCash Mastercard na luma, pwede mo pa rin gamitin yan. Zero Forex, it's the best out there. Now, backup mo will be the GoTime card, if ever. So, backup lang yan. Now, when it comes to withdrawing, dito siya. If you're going to Japan, ang importante mong dalawa is the GCash Visa Mastercard at saka yung C-Bank or Maribank na Mastercard. Because wala siyang withdrawal fee if you go to a 7-Eleven ATM. If you're going to use the Visa cards, meron siyang 1% charge na access fee. And then backup mo, as always, will be the GoTime as well. Then, when you go to your credit cards naman, always go with the low Forex cards. If you have the Z card, this is 0% na Forex. But choose, if you want rewards and other cards naman, definitely choose a low Forex cards. Katulad ng BPI, Metrobank Travel Visa. A lot of the list here, yan, ipapasok ko rin dito yan. And then, yung transportation mo, importante sa Japan kasi is what they call their IC card. So, may ICOCA yan, pass mo, depending on where you're gonna get it. Pero, interchangeable yan kung sa Tokyo mo nakuha yan or Osaka mo nakuha yan, pwede mo gamitin yan in different prefectures ng Japan as well. So, yung ICOCA ko, galing yan Osaka, pero pwede ko siya gamitin sa Tokyo. Yung Tokyo mo naman, pwede mo rin gamitin yan sa Osaka. A lot of their trains and yung bus, medyo ICOCA card or IC card pa rin. But there are some select trains, meron na silang credit card na pwede mo gamitin. But konti pa lang yung mga stations na meron na yon. So, yun. And this is your whole money system when you're going to Japan.